Hello dear students, welcome back. Let us continue with our types of novel. In my last lecture I had discussed about types of novels, that is realistic novel, picaresque novel, historical novel, epistolary novel, gothic novel, autobiographical novel and allegorical novel. Today we are going to discuss some more types of novels. The first type which we are going to discuss today is utopian or dystopian novel. Utopian is an imaginary community or society possessing the ideal or the perfect qualities. It is a common literary theme, especially in science fiction. Let us see some examples of utopian novel. Utopian novels examples are City of Refuge by Starhawk. It is a very famous novel. Then Forever Pleasure by Theodore Eastman. Then The Giver by Louis Laurie. And one more, Amy Smith's Ever Known. These were the examples of utopian or dystopian novel. Let us turn towards next example, next type of novel, that is psychological novel. Psychological novel is the work of fiction that treats the internal life of the protagonist or even other characters as much as the external factors. Thoughts, feelings and motivations of the characters are of greater interest in psychological novels. Let us see some examples of psychological novels. Cousins, written by Sally Vickers. Then Girls on the Train by Paula Hawkins. Now Paula Hawkins has written several psychological novels. Let us turn towards next type, that is stream of consciousness novel. Now stream of consciousness means this is a phrase which was coined by William James in his treatise Principle of Psychology in 1890. Now, stream of consciousness means the continuous flow of thoughts that makes up an individual's conscious experience. Incidents in the plot are in the sequence of their occurrence. Let us see some examples of stream of consciousness. The most famous example is Ulysses by James Joyce. This Ulysses is very famous. The novel tracks a single day in the life of the Irish man. Then next example, written by Virginia Woolf, The Waves or The Lighthouse. Both these novels are the example of stream of consciousness. One more example of stream of consciousness novel written by Dorothy Richardson is Pilgrimage. Dorothy Richardson has written series of stream of consciousness novel. Now one more important thing which I have to mention here is that James Joyce, Virginia Woolf and Dorothy Richardson are the pioneers of stream of consciousness. Then the next type is Bildungsroman novel. Now Bildungs means formation or the growth and Roman means novel. So this German word Bildungsroman indicates growth. It is a novel that traces the spiritual, moral, psychological or social development and growth of the main characters, usually from childhood to adulthood or to maturity. Let us see some examples of Bildungsroman novel. The very famous, all of us have seen or read this Harry Potter series, by J.K. Rowling is the example of Bildungsroman. Then another famous example, Chronicle of Narnia by C.S. Lewis. Many of you might have seen the movie Chronicle of Narnia. Let us turn towards the next type of novel, that is science fiction. Now, science fiction means a fiction in which advanced technology and science is the key element. This fiction, science fiction, deals with imaginative concepts such as futuristic setting, futuristic science and technology, space travel, time travel, parallel universes, and extraterrestrial life. Let us see some examples of science fiction. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley is the perfect example of science fiction. Some more examples: Mary Robinette Kowal's The Calculating Stars. Let us study one more type of novel, that is detective fiction. Detective fiction is a subgenre of crime fiction and mystery fiction in which an investigator or a detective, either professional or amateur, investigates a crime, often a murder. So, some famous examples: Sherlock Holmes is the example of detective fiction written by Arthur Conan Doyle. Then Agatha Christie, she has written number of detective novels, detective fiction, and the characters Miss Marple and Hercule Poirot are the evergreen detectives created by her. So these were the types of detective novels or detective fiction. So these were some important types of novels which we have discussed today. In exam you might be asked to write about these novels. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you.